Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you a beautiful knife. This was sent to me to review, and I wanted to do a little unboxing, and then I'm going to wash it and we'll slice a lemon or something. But this is actually really nice. I put it back in the box. My son came in, he was like, wait a second, what is that? And he wanted to check it out. He used to work in a meat cutting section at a grocery store, and he saw this and he was like, ooh, a knife. You know, he's going to look. But look at how nice it's packaged. This is why I wanted to put it back in the package and show you. And it comes with an information and a warranty card in there. And what a nice gift. This would be a wonderful gift for someone. Our grandson wants to be a chef, so when he's a little bit older, maybe this would be a perfect gift for him. But look at this knife. And before I forget, it comes with a nice, this is like a hard plastic covering for the knife blades. So if you have to keep it in a drawer, which I like to keep my knives up on a magnetic rack when this is, but if you keep it in a drawer, you'll want to make sure you keep that covered. And here you have also the little tips to keep it nice and sharp. But isn't that pretty? But when my son picked this up, he's like, wow, that is balanced so nice. Like this is just, it just feels good in your hand. It's like when I hold this, now I've checked it out. I repacked it for you. But I felt it and I held it and it feels nice. I love the handle is made from something called Pakka wood, let me see, I'll spell it for you. It's Pakka wood, and it's beautifully done and it feels so nice. It's not like any part of it is heavier than another part. So it feels, look at that. See how balanced? Well balanced. Feels good. And the thing I like too is I have to tell you, a lot of times knives will have kind of a squared handle, but see how this is an oval shape? So see how nicely, for me, it fits in my hand great because I've got a little arthritis in my thumb and stuff, and it's nice. And also, I do like right here, because when I'm cooking, to hold it there for more stability is nice. I love this knife. It's really well made. It feels great in my hand. And I know you're supposed to do like that, but the way I hold a knife is I'll hold it and I take my finger and I brace it there. But this has a nice, I call it like a shoulder. I know that's but this little, how it comes out right here, I'm calling it a shoulder because I can put my finger right there and just brace it. It has a terrific tip, and the very point and tip of it is so good for the little scoring things. But still, I'm not going to put my hands in there because this thing is sharp. It's got such a nice long base for chopping. So this is a do-it-all, seriously nice knife. Now I'm going to go wash it up and then we'll do some quick slicing of maybe a lemon or something just to show you how sharp and nice this knife is. All right, ready to cut this lemon. And I do want to show you inside of the little booklet that comes inside, there is a whole selection of knives. So if you want to establish a good knife collection, and it tells all about ergonomically done, the handle, and ultra sharp, the perfect balance. And I have to tell you, I mean, our son he knows knives because he used them when he was doing meat cutting. He's far from that now, but when he did it, he said, this feels really good in your hand. And I'm just going to slice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hang on, I just see how I can get it. I want to do it. I can't do it left-handed, but I want to show you. There you go. Maybe you can see that. I'm going to do a super thin slice of this lemon. Look at that. So nice. Look how beautifully this slices. I'm excited about this because I'm about to do some chopping of stuff, and this is going to be, I wish you guys could feel this. Look at that, how thin it is. If I put this here, it just slides. Like seriously, it just glides through. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how thin that slice is. You can see the knife through it. That is so nice. I'm going to just cut it this way. I'm going to cut the little stem off here. Whoop! It's so smooth. Oh my gosh. Either I am using knives that aren't great, because the difference, I feel like if I just set this on here, it's just going to glide. Or look at that. It just glides right through. This is a really nice knife. I'm super excited about it. So I want to say thank you. I guess it's PAUDIN. That's what I'm going to say, or PAUDIN, but PAUDIN. I really appreciate you sending me this knife because this is a beautiful knife. This is now going to be my main kitchen knife. I can just tell you, look at that. Oh, cut it right in half. Beautiful. It's done so nice. And I'm going to probably have to hide it because I think this is the kind of knife that might end up in my son's kitchen instead of mine because it is nice. But I'm going to go back and look through on there, and there will be a link below for you if you're interested in purchasing this. But I'm also going to go see all these different knives. I know I need one of the cheese knives. I think I need one of those. They've got carving knife. They've got a utility knives. They've got a knife and fork, a dining knife and fork. Oh boy, they've got everything. Like the knives that they have on this little handout are terrific. I'm going to go to the website and look for more because I feel like this is a beautiful knife to have in the kitchen. And I might, look at that, just doop, right through there. Just cut right through, slice, perfect. This is a terrific knife. So I want to say thank you for letting me try it out. And if you guys are interested in that, go check out the description. And I am excited to share this knife with you. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.